My name is Putri, and I have assembled a team to take on our world's toughest challenges.
Global problem solvers, let's go!
Hello out there, all you storm trackers. It's me, Ivy Stormcatcher. I returned live after a massive hurricane in Tampa, Florida. Kept me busy for a while. I'm flying high above the city with my aunt, Air Force Captain. Sure.
The city is recovering nicely from the storm, roads are clear, power's back, and schools have reopened.
While schools were closed, teachers taught classes using an emergency classroom kit my friends and I created.
Do you know if the kit worked well?
The global problem solvers are gathering data to answer that question. That is, if they're not playing video games.
Bila and Satoshi, you are supposed to be gathering data on the impact of our kit.
We have been, Putri. We were just waiting until the school day ends to hear from Khalil.
And ever since those monster trucks delivered our kits across Tampa, we can't get enough of the trucks.
What data have you collected so far?
Adrian reports that teachers found our kits easy to assemble and operate.
Which says a lot, considering technology isn't always so straightforward.
Christina reports that parents were happy that classes continued right after the storm. Their children maintained a sense of normalcy during a very chaotic time.
Although parents also seem happy to have their kids back at school.
Wait, I'm hearing now from Khalil.
Principal Diaz says that despite time away from school, students are caught up in their studies.
That is terrific news, Khalil. Now, we need to spread the word about our social enterprise. A social enterprise is a business, like the one we created around our emergency classroom kit, that attempts to solve a social problem.
Hiya, Putri. Mr. Randazzo here, promoter of the Monster Truck Showdown. You're never gonna believe this. There was so much excitement seeing our trucks deliver your kits. Folks are lining up for our opening event. We're calling it the Back to School Bonanza. Maybe we could celebrate the kid.
That's a great way to spread the word.
Perfect. I gotta go. Lots to plan. Teachers and students, welcome to the Back to School Bonanza! We have a brand new truck here today. Put your hands together for the Hurricane. Escorted by the Global Problem Solvers. They helped restart class while our schools were being rebuilt. Now it's time for the Hurricane to fight its first battle. The opponent will be the Emergency Classroom Kit. The kit wins!
Yes, hello? We needed where? India? Team, we have another mission. Ivy, your ability to foresee problems makes you indispensable to our team.
Old friend, you are one of us now. Welcome to the team.
Well then, may I have the honor? Global problem solvers, let's go!